welcome to this channel where we give now bonga update on waiting the happen for Biafra Republic government in exile. Our men are winning as the information they reach us. Make we listen to Mazi Raphael as they drop him.
Every man is tired of Nigeria. He could have just finished his name, Mr. Lawrence Okeke or Mr. Lawrence Ameka. So that Mr. DK is an evil. I told you, you not told me, but I'm telling you that anybody that is, if anybody is tired of Nigeria, among the whole ethnicity, it should be an Igbo man. And now that the generation has written Nigeria, that they are exiting from Nigeria 24th June, Abi. Yes. See, let me tell you, in generations, June 20, okay, in generations. Thank you. Good morning, sir, and good morning, ma. You are just waking up now. This is your early morning time. See, dawn. Early morning is called dawn in English language. D-A-W-N. Dawn. You people are waking up from your slumbers. See, you are never tired of Nigeria. You are just written because of what happened. You've written a letter because of what just happened at the Okwama Ewu community, whereby they killed and killed and killed you. You are waking up from your kai drinking. You always dive deep yourself, drag yourself, throw yourself in the river of what? Sapela water, kai. That's why you could not get it in your head that you are exhausting God-gifted. God gives to you. You are a God-gifted community with black gold, and they allow this black gold in ruin, in waste, being wasted on daily basis. What are the compensation? What do you derive from your what? Over generosity? Because you've been so generous. The north, northeast, southwest, everybody has been sucking you dry. Your breast, your milk, no they dry. So now you wake up, you want right to Nigeria, say you want go. Not even could they worry. You have written. See, you have written Nigeria already because over too much milk they hold you for many years. Wake up. You don't wake up. Okay. Go and negotiate with federal. See, you not wrestling that is of life. Now you are asking for war that is of death. See, Igbos wake up how many years ago fighting for their nationality. You are denying the Igbos will be tied you. See, don't negotiate now. In fact, now the like of Malami, the other Chief Justice of Nigeria, the one that failed woefully when he went to contest for, World Cup judge in I think Brussels. That one, he will be there. Malami will be there. Tanko will be there. Now make Allah people. Now they will go judge you now. If they not come make Allah, Fulani will give you a nationality. Wait, Edwin Clark will lead the delegates. That even reminds me. Edwin Chika Clark. He will lead the delegates. They will go to Connaught and ask Sultan to leave you. They will all of you, none of you will come back. That reminds me, they say they already have a lawsuit in Abuja High Court. They equally cited the Yoruba Nation having a similar lawsuit. Since they already going through the legal process, it looks as if they're serious, or don't you think so? When we are saying the truth in Nigeria, they always molest us. Igbos we are being molested on daily basis, persecuted every year, every month, every minute that goes. Even their job brothers could not even believe that our brothers would do this. And now they come and Samarapa. If you not they do that on a Biafra time, they couldn't do them. That on a Biafra agitation, when an Abraham come, a job community, we are not Igbo, we are not Edwin Clark. Why is the name of your father Chicken? Or you Chicken? You change it to Clark because you go to school. Collecting money at the expense of a job people. Blood money. Now you're waking up because soldiers went to Koma community and kill people. Nigerian soldiers, you know, that are more ruthless than any other soldiers in Nigeria, in the world. The military, ruthless military. They can kill civilians, especially in Biafra land. See, let me tell you, job people, that land belongs to Biafra. When you are negotiating, when you negotiate finish, when Nigeria leave you, Akufesia or the Allah war, we are waiting. Let me know the land you occupy. How many are you? You want to go and claim nationality, a job nationality. When all your forefathers are Igbos, when all of you migrated from Anambra State, the whole Igbo deltas, they have agreed and they own it up. You will go, see, when you read when all these job people, when they do finish, when they come, after all their ranting and chanting and doing all manner of activities, committing whatever they want to commit. See, people, we are the owner of that land. The same thing someone said the other day. Asian people like Lucky Ehiaguna, a foolish moron. If they come talk bad about Igbo, he marry Igbo woman dey feed am. When they talk all this say now, you go jump, now Igbo man go cook soup wey go eat. Lucky Ehiaguna is from Asia. All of them, Igbo must surely take care of them. When they talk all this way, they say Biafra go to hate Lucky Ehiaguna, all his community, Biafra. Biafra land. Each away they run their mouth. How many people? Okay, Bòďy is from Uromi. Are they not Igbos? How many of them are going home? What is their population? We are going to occupy that land by force, by fire, by force. I want to say every time you Thank you so much. Thank you very much for your time, Mr. Good morning. Wait first. You want to respond to? I want to respond to Raf language. See, Raf doesn't know when you are talking in the public, you are not talking to yourself. You are talking to worldwide because this channel is worldwide. People are watching you all over the world. So you have to be intellectual. You have to use your brain. Not be open your mouth as basket and be yapping anybody. Say Isha, they will grab on you like by fire by force. Is that a statement? Are you from Isha? After those state of information from Ekoma, from our personality of destiny, we know who are we. So we are intelligent people. We don't talk anyhow. You can't just come in the television and tell the whole world that you conquer Isha by fire, by force. See, you can't this. Okay, now only people learn every original. See, we are all Nigerians. We want to see we want to liberate. Everybody will need freedom. But in a situation where you want to match another person to get your whole life is you. Only what they say, you know, is you. We are everybody will run it up. Everybody is looking for where to be good for he or her. See, Nigeria is a country. Nigeria has been existing, but now it's like everybody is tired of coexistence. So everybody has the opportunity, have the privilege, the right to say, I want to go. Not by fire by force, according to right. You can't use by fire by force. It's not possible. You can't use by fire by force. There's a procedure. The whole world is watching. The whole world want to live. See, Catalonia want to live Spain. It's not by fire by force. Your son, many countries live England, not by fire by force. So you want to go by procedure. See, when you want to go, you go, but not by. Discrimination party. Do you support a donation? They have reason to see what you see. You see what the donation I just wrote. The donation is trying to tell the Biafra that they are not going to be under Biafra. They are going their separate way. As you walk upon the map of Nigeria, the donation is not under Biafra. The joy is not under Biafra. Wait, you can't deny it. You can't deny it. Raf say what you Raf say Biafra will conquer. It's not possible. Everybody say wait. Biafra, you never feel occupy your land. Biafra, you want to occupy your own land first before you occupy the other land. When somebody is talking out of intoxication, out of the nation. This man said the land the Kano will die. Who said that? Who said? He said it on Sunday. I said the Kano will die. He will die. So you will die. You are a blackmailer. Everybody can die at any time. So you are afraid. You are a blackmailer. You are a jockey master. See your head. See your breath. Only you want to be right. You can't go anywhere. You are a motherfucker. See, Biafra can go anytime they want to go. But there is a procedure. Raf is trying to make a problem for himself. Raf is not God. Who the Kano is not God. Who the Kano is a freedom fighter. A freedom fighter, anything can happen with a freedom fighter at any time. Either you live or you don't live. That is reality. When you not say when the Kano will die again, he can die again, can die again. But he must fight for his people. Fighting for the people, you want to use your life or your blood. See, when you not say because someone is saying to die, you don't carry for head. You are zero. You are fighting for your freedom. When you are fighting, you can ignore anything. Thank you very much. Anything can evolve. Along the line of duty when you are fighting for freedom, there must be casualty. Thank you very much.
Yes, now welcome back from the update. And I remember waiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu doctor say they go buy us, we will buy them at the end. Biafra will come. Casualty is inevitable. Now why we always stay on and say, let us hear and get information from the Biafran Republic government in exile. Because me, I am tired of the zoo. I don't know about you, but I know see majority of Indians and other ethnic nationality for that country which is a zoo, we are tired. For this matter, me, I'm going to rest my case now. Thank you.